Struggling to organize your Shopify store? Don't lose your customers to poor navigation, because I'm going to be showing you how to add product categories step by step with making shopping simplest for your customers. First of all, we needed of course to add categories or collections as the Shopify calls them. These are really accurate, so let's see how we can do this. First of all, what exactly are those catalog or categories? So think of them as groups of related products that make browsing your store intuitive. So in this store, we have products like Christmas decors, we have slippers, we have snowballs, and I think that will be actually it. So today I'm going to be trying to use the collections to don't try to confuse my customers and let them know where to find what they're looking for. So to make this process, we wanted to make a manual collection. So let's go back directly into the Shopify App Store. Inside the dashboard, let's locate the left section that says products. Inside of products, we can see that there's all of the products that we have just imported so far. Now, if I click into one product, this part is going to be really important if you wanted to make something automatically and easily. So let's scroll down a little bit more. And here we have the product organization. The product organization is going to be helping us a lot to Shopify understand what this product is about and to give us some recommendations based on into what we have so far here. For example, here the product type, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to type the word slippers. The vendor should be ourselves, and into the collections we can add a new collection, but I'm going to be doing this later. Now into text, let's try it out with slippers. I'm going to go with Christmas. Now I have two texts, the vendor and the product type, and you might be wondering what about the collections. This is a really important part. Let's hit now into save. Do all of this with all of the products that you have available into your store. Now this might be taking a little bit of time, but trust me, this is going to be really worthy when you get started by organizing all of this. Now that you have your products organized, let's locate the section that says collections. Into collections, we do have these collections created. Let's select all of them and delete them if you don't want to see them. Let's start with a brand new collection. Now to create a new collection, let's try it out with Christmas. Now down here we have the collection type. You can choose manual or smart. Smart can be helping you to use the information that were imported from the Shopify products and automatically be done by the app. Or you can choose manual and choose browse. So you can choose all of your products that are accurate with the category or the catalog or the collection that you choose. In my case, it should be only these three options. I hit into add, and there we go. Now that I have just added all of this information, we can just hit now into save. Then I'm gonna go back and add a new collection, which in my case would be titled snowboards. Now once again, let's try it out with small this time, and into tag is equal to, you can look out for snowboard and saved. That means that the section automatically should be added if they have these conditions. Let's add another condition. For example, this one is equal to snow and equal to sport and into winter. Saved it, and check out how all of the products who matches all of these conditions should be added here automatically. I don't have to do absolutely anything. So go back, and we have now two different collections. Now I'm gonna head back directly into my online store. Here into online store, let's look how the option says navigation. Now that we have our collections, we wanted of course to change this. From the catalog, I wanted to add a collection here. Let's go for add menu item. Name, let's go for Christmas. And to search and paste a link, I'm gonna head into collections and choose my new Christmas collection, which is here. Hit into add, and I'm gonna add the next one, which in my case should be snowboards. Choose collections and choose snowboards. Add, and there we go. Now I'm going to put the Christmas below into the catalog and a little bit to the right, so this one should be inside the catalog section. And now we can just drag and drop the snowboards just below the Christmas. If you go directly into the right, this should be a sub-menu inside Christmas. So this is not what we want. We want to let them be a sub-collection inside catalog, both inside them. So let's click now into save. Once you have done this process, you can check out your website and review if your catalog now has the sub-menu. So if I click here into catalog, I can choose the option that says Christmas, and I only have products from Christmas. And I go for catalog, and I only have products from snowboards, and so on and on. To organize a little bit more your products, we have this section of the filter, pricing, sort by, and 3 products. This is with the search and discoverability of the Shopify. To add this, we can go back into Shopify, go into apps, and look out for the option that says search. Open this with the Shopify App Store, and here it should be appearing the Shopify Search and Discovery. When you install the Shopify Search and Discovery, this could be giving you access to filter a little bit more your products and to see and to customize your own filters. Now you can see that this one is available into your website, and your customers are happily and more easily to find your products elements. Now that you created your categories, we can make them easily to find as we added this directly into the navigation bar. So preview your store, make sure that everything looks good, click into the menu items, check that correctly products appear into each category, and use the product text and filters to create dynamic categories like the new arrivals. You can check out the best sellers and add them directly into the home dashboard to make your customers find out more about your products and more about the holidays, for example, or into some specific categories. So there you have it. We have learned how to create, manage, and organize product categories in the Shopify. If you find this tutorial helpful, guys, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to TechSpress, and let me know in the comments what the Shopify topic you'd like to see next. Thank you and see you next time.